Hi guys, now that I've fixed the circuit on this solar light so it does actually come on when I cover the solar panel, I've been trying to think what I can do with the rest of it, the actual colour changing light array. And I was sitting here thinking that clock is white plastic, so I wonder if I stick that on the back of it somehow, whether that will illuminate through it or generally around it and give us an interesting light display. So that is the little project for the day. Put some wires back between that and that instead of that single LED I've got on there just for test purposes. So that'll go back on there. I'll make a little bracket to sit this on the back. I was thinking of all sorts of complicated ways of doing it, but I think I'll just put something that will hook over those two hooks there, two holes there, to sit it on the back, and then have a fairly long wire on it so that the solar panel can be anywhere in the window and we can still tuck the clock into the corner there. Because I could just put the solar panel on top, but that may not be the ideal position to catch the sunlight. So having that on a wandering lead seems to be a good idea. So I'll get on with that and then come back and show you what I've done. It's all up together, a little bit temporary, but it does work. That's the LED array on the back. And at the moment we're sitting under the halogen lights to charge the batteries up a bit. So if I switch the lights off, we should see the magic. Okay, it should start changing colours in a minute. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm rather pleased with that. So say the fittings on the back are a little bit sort of temporary. I don't know if this will be the final design. You're going to stay on red or are you going to change colour again? Oh yeah, we are changing. So it's quite a gentle change. It's quite bright on the back as well, isn't it? But for the corner of the conservatory, where I want to put it at the moment, I think that'll be fine. I'm amazed how bright that is, actually, because the camera makes it look brighter anyway. But I'm going to claim that one as a success. So the old Flowerpot, solar Flowerpot no longer exists, but we do now have a solar clock, or solar illuminated clock, colour changing. The only other thing I want to do with this at the moment is I'm talking about trying to charge a LiPo battery. Instead of the 3 nickel metal hydride batteries, try a single LiPo battery. But to do that, I want to put a protection circuit on the LiPo. I don't normally bother for my builds, but if this is going to be sitting somewhere where potentially it could catch fire and set fire to the house, I'm going to put a protection circuit on it. So I've ordered on eBay some little protection circuits. So that'll be episode 6, I suppose, in this series. But that will be a while we wait for it to arrive. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.